As Gainesville continues to grow and evolve with exciting urban development projects, homeowners are finding themselves adapting to new design preferences, energy standards, and architectural aesthetics. One area experiencing a noticeable shift is window installation, a crucial element in both function and curb appeal. From modern townhomes to revitalized historic districts, Gainesville's transformation is directly influencing what types of windows residents are choosing for their homes. In this article, we'll explore how Gainesville's urban development trends are shaping window installation decisions and what it means for current and future homeowners. Energy efficiency is now a standard, not a luxury. With a strong focus on sustainability and reduced environmental impact, new construction and remodeling efforts in Gainesville are heavily geared toward energy-efficient design. As part of this green shift, window installations are moving away from single-pane models and toward double or triple-pane insulated windows with low-E coatings. Homeowners and developers are opting for ENERGY STAR certified windows to meet modern building codes, reduce HVAC strain, and cut long-term energy costs. In a humid subtropical climate like Gainesville's, efficient windows can also reduce moisture and mold risks, making them both an eco-friendly and health-conscious choice. Modern urban aesthetic call for sleek, minimalist window styles. Gainesville's downtown revitalization and mixed-use residential growth have introduced more contemporary architectural styles. Homeowners are now gravitating toward sleek, minimalist window styles, like casement and sliding windows, because they match the clean lines and modern finishes seen in today's homes and condos. Floor-to-ceiling and panoramic windows are also on the rise, especially in newer builds and townhouses, offering unobstructed views and abundant natural light. This aligns with the city's emphasis on walkability and visibility, bringing the outdoors into the home with style. Increased noise from urban living drives soundproofing choices. With increased population density, traffic, and city center activity, noise pollution is becoming a consideration for many Gainesville homeowners, particularly those near main roads or busy commercial zones. This shift has sparked a rise in demand for soundproof and laminated glass windows. These specialized installations not only help dampen outside noise but also improve indoor privacy and comfort, important features in both single-family and multi-unit urban homes. Smaller footprints mean more functional window design. As land becomes more valuable and homes trend toward smaller, vertical living spaces, functionality is becoming key. Window installations now must maximize airflow, light, and space efficiency. Awning windows, hopper windows, and tilt and turn options are increasingly favored for their dual-purpose design, offering ventilation while maintaining security and energy efficiency. In tight urban spaces where privacy is also a concern, frosted or textured glass windows are also popular choices, especially in bathrooms and stairwells. WA and Historic District Guideline influence window choices in Gainesville's established neighborhoods, like Duck Pond or Pleasant Street. Historic preservation ordinances or WA rules can limit window design options. Homeowners must often balance aesthetic authenticity with modern performance. As a result, Many choose custom-fitted wood-clad or composite windows that mimic historic styles while offering better insulation, weather resistance, and security. Working with local window installation professionals helps ensure compliance with guidelines without sacrificing performance. Smart home integration is now a selling point. Smart home features are no longer exclusive to tech enthusiasts. They're a priority for younger homebuyers and long-term residents alike. Gainesville's newer developments often include automated windows, integrated shading systems, and UV sensors that adapt to changing light and temperature conditions. For homeowners looking to modernize, upgrading to smart-compatible window systems adds both convenience and future resale value. Final thoughts. Gainesville's urban development is redefining how residents think about window installation. Whether your focus is energy savings, modern style, noise reduction, or historical preservation, today's window options are more versatile and efficient than ever before. If you're considering a window upgrade, it pays to consult local professionals who understand Gainesville's evolving landscape and how to tailor window choices that blend seamlessly with both city trends and personal comfort. Let your windows reflect the future of Gainesville: beautiful, smart, and built to last.